Starting from this week, and we will start to learn the chapter 15, multiple regression model. So the difference between the simple linear regression model and the multiple regression model is how many X you can include into your model, which means in the multiple regression model, you can consider different factors to affect our dependent variable Y. So here is the general map related to the regression model. So we have the simple regression model, simple linear regression model, and the multiple regression model. And so far what we're learning the simple linear regression model, which means we have one explanatory variable, or we can say we only have one X variable. So in this new chapter, chapter 15, we will look at the linear multiple regression model, which means we will have more than two explanatory variables, or we can have more than two X variables. So for this chapter, you need to know how should we use the least square method to get the estimated regression equation. Although you don't need to know the detail, but you should know how to use Excel to get the answer. And how can we interpret the multiple coefficient determination is another important concept we need to learn. And we will mention about the model assumption, and also most importantly, we will learn the testing for significance. So next week, we will look at how to use the estimated regression equation to do the estimation and prediction. And also we'll look at if we have the categorical independent variable like the gender, nationality, how can we include it into our simple linear regression model? And how should we do the residual analysis to validate our model? So the last three objectives will be taught in next week's class.